So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a one-part mold. I found this glass bowl with a nice texture on the edges. Attaching it to that mold right now. You can see I'm compressing the lip, make sure that it sticks. You know, if you don't want to put together the coddle board, this is the way to build the walls around that form. And I'm making it real efficient, making the wall real thin. And this is after, that wall's been drying in front of the fan for about half an hour, so it's nice and stiff. And I mixed up the plaster and I brought it over, and I'm pouring it in there. So that's how I make my mold. I fast forward to about 20 to 30 minutes later. That plaster is cured, so I'm removing the clay. And now I'm going to clean up that plaster. It's a really good time to do this immediately after you made the plaster mold because it's nice and soft. I'm using the Sureform, the Brillo pad, to really smooth out the outside edges. And you can see the form is still stuck in there. You can see here I'm going to use a blaster and just shoot at the edge. And as soon as that water pressure gets in there, it'll release it, like so. And then to get the remnants of it, you don't want to use any abrasive on the inside. Using the spray hose is the best way to clean the inside of your plaster molds. This mold's been drying in front of the fan for at least 24 hours, if not 48 hours. You really want it to be bone dry, that plaster, before you do your first pull.
Yes.
So you see that? Go like that, so you can see the edge on that. So once that casting slip has thickened up enough, I'm ready to pour the casting slip out. And this is a trick I do. I mix it up on the inside, and carefully not to scrape the walls. And by doing that, you'll make that casting slip nice and watery, so I can pour it out easier. So after you pour the casting slip out, it's important to dry that plaster mold upside down so the casting slip will continue to flow away from the bottom, so it doesn't pool at the bottom. I'm going to use a plaster bat to hold the bottom, flip it upside down. You don't have to use a plaster bat, just a regular wooden board will do. And I'm shaking it to help that casting slip flow away. And it will wait there until it's ready to release from the mold, about 20 minutes.